Hi guys. So, my name is Nathaniel. You can call me Nat or Niel. Neil for sure. So, in this video, what day today? It's June 13. As you guys can see, it's June 13, 2024. And as you can see guys, it's June 13, 2024, and I'm currently 18 years old. And tomorrow is June 14, 2024, and it was my 19th birthday. So the reason why I said that, because I'm already the reason why I said that because I'm already 19 years old tomorrow, and I'm currently 18. So as you read the title of this video, this was my advice on this was my advice to the young man who's under 18 years old. So yeah guys, let's go. My first advice to the younger man who's 18 below is to know your passion. In this age gap, in this age range, you're about to graduate high school. So when you're going to college, you need to know if you really want to go or not. Because me, I didn't want to go, and I didn't go. Example, I'm not discouraging you guys to go. I'm not encouraging you guys not to go, okay? What I'm talking here is, if you don't want what I'm talking here guys is, if you don't know what do you want in life. Example, do you want to be a doctor? Do you want to be a lawyer? Do you want to be a firefighter? Any job that requires getting a degree, of course, sure, go to college if that's what you really want. But if you're not, example, your parents are pushing you to be a nurse, even if you want to be a, for example, you love editing videos, you want to be a video editor, and your parents are pushing you to do some college course of nursing, and I don't think that will work. You only end up miserable if that happens. So that's the hardest part of getting out of your teenage life. So in my situation, I'm 18 years old. I already graduated senior high, and my parents are encouraging me to go to college, but I didn't, because you know what, I don't really want a job who's needed degree. If I want to earn 40,000 pesos to 50,000, I can apply for a call center without getting a degree. I only have is my high school diploma and my other information. So yes guys, If I want to earn $800 per month, I'll just apply call center and other jobs who doesn't need a degree. I can earn that, guys. Here in Philippines, I don't know in other country. Maybe higher, maybe lower. So yes, guys. Um, that's my first advice to the young man who's under 18 years old, guys. If you don't know what do you still want, then don't go to college because it's a fucking waste of time and waste of money, waste of energy, and waste of something. If you don't really want, huh? I'm not saying that don't go to college if you really have a career. Do you want to pursue? Who's needed college? The only point here is don't waste your time doing things you don't really know and you don't really want about. So that's my first main advice. Second is everyone already knows about. Everyone knows about this. My second advice is to avoid bad habits. Yes. Avoid smoking, avoid drinking alcohol, and avoid vaping. Those three, guys. Also don't use other, so you know that, avoid addictive things. Yeah, that's the main thing, guys. And also, yeah, and also don't go to parties. What I mean parties, the drinking, smoking weed, and other, not the example school party and family party. That's okay. That's completely fine. So yes, guys. And my third advice is always spend time with your family. Okay? Because as a young man, if you have family, you have parents who loves you, who still care about you, gives you food, take care of you, they wash your clothes, they still clean your room, clean your house. You know, guys, you are so very lucky in these days if you have them. As Tristan Tate said, as a young man, he as us young men, we are so lucky and rich. Then when you grow up and your parents gone and our parents are gone, we will do everything just to have them back again. So we need to love them while we're still with them. We need to love our parents, guys. Not only the parents, also our siblings and other relatives who's so important to us. Let us appreciate them, guys. You will never regret what you will. You will never regret that, guys. When we're so in this age, most of us still have our families and friends. Because when we reach to the 30 to 40 years old, maybe they're gone. Maybe they're not with us anymore. So yeah, we need to love them, guys. Another advice is, my fourth advice, guys, is, this is it. My fourth advice is improve yourself. If you didn't start yourself if you're not yet started on your self-improvement journey, you will be slower. Okay, your process will be slower and harder because you're not starting yet. You need to improve always every day, because if you don't, what will happen to you? You stay what you really are if you don't improve. If you're a loser, you stay loser. If you're a winner, keep winning, keep improving. So that's my advice for young men. Okay, guys, who's under 18 years old. So hear me out, guys. Most of us have parents, some not. Most of us have brothers, but we don't have someone who will tell us all of this. Okay? I hope you guys understand. We don't have someone who will tell all of these things to do when we're this young. Maybe there's someone who tells you, but it was so small information. Some go to gym, go run. So yes, guys, don't stop improving yourself in every aspect. When it comes to speaking, confidence, talking to other people, yeah, speaking basically. Maybe in physically, mentally, emotionally, that's important, guys. And spiritually, those four guys. Physically, go to gym. I don't go to gym. I only use my push up. Kanina ka pa dyan? I only do push ups. Ginagawa mo dyan? Naglalakpay ka, gong yan. May tinatago ka ba dyan?
Wala.
Ha? Naglalak ka ba? Wala? Baka nagbe-base ka na naman dyan. Sana ako for advice physically. Yeah. So yes guys, first physically improve yourself guys, do some push-ups. Okay, this is guys, when first time I do push-up, it's so really hard. I can't even do one with right form, huh? Most of guys will doing wrong push-ups and saying they doing the wrong form, and they say they can do 10 to 20 or more. Maybe they're not in the not right form. Yes guys, if they're not right. Me physically, how I improve, I basically do push-ups. I have this my push-up board. And I also have here
pwede rin. Hindi ba? Kaya mo?
I'm so lonely.
Hindi ko makusun. Gabot yung mga takso. Eh, putong ina, pre, malayo, gabot. Ay, na, pre, pagkatawag pa, yung gabot. Napakalayo.
I also have guys this I also have this, guys. This is what we call resistant. I have also this, guys. This is what we call the resistant bands. So I'll show you guys how I managed to use this. First, step on it. Step on the band. And then we go like this. So yes, that's how basic it works. That's how basically how it works. That's how basically it works, guys. So yes, I'm using that kind of equipment, and I just bought it. I just bought all of it online. Okay, I just ordered. I didn't buy them physically. I just ordered online. So this is what I got using those three equipments, yes. So if you want to improve yourself physically only at home, and you don't have to go to gym, basically going to gym is still a thing. Going gym is still a thing, guys. You meet new people and interact with them. You meet new brothers. But me as a freelancer, I prefer to only work out of home. But me as a freelancer, I only prefer to home workout, guys. So yeah, that's my physically improvement things. My next advice is spiritually siguro, guys. As spiritual, guys, is start practicing being grateful, guys. If you have some problem that you think you cannot solve, and you're the most unlucky misfortune person in the world, just think what the things you have and what other people don't. Okay, maybe you're struggling to maybe your phone is not too good for you to play games, but other kids don't even have a phone. So yeah, guys, it's day today is June 13, so I'm still 18 years old, guys, and I'm doing this to give advice to the young man who's 18 years old below, because I'm pretty sure my opinions and the things I said is actually valid, because I'm this age and you guys are maybe same as mine and younger than me. Also, to the older men than me, if you wanna learn, I have no problem with that. It's really good. And yeah, I'm doing this, guys, for young men and maybe other people who's 18 years old below. Let's recap, guys. First, know your career, because it's so hard to take a course you didn't really like. It's a waste of time and energy. Okay, that's the first thing, guys. Know what the things you love doing, and don't push the things you didn't actually love. So yeah. Second is love your family, guys. Always be grateful you love family because there's so much people in this world who have broken families and friends. Okay? Love your families, guys. My third advice is no, what's my third advice, guys? So as a recap, guys, my first advice is know the things know what you actually want. Know what career path do you want. Okay, do you want to create content? Do you want to be a video editor? Do you want to be a lawyer? Do you want to be a police? Do you want to be a teacher? Do you want to be a firefighter? Do you want to be anything you want, guys? Do you want to be a clown? Do you want to be a photographer? What do you like, guys? You want to be a millionaire? You want to be a billionaire? Do you want to earn 5 to 6 figures per year, per month? And you want to be a anything you want, guys. So that's my first, and the second is avoid bad habits, avoid too much playing games, avoid drugs, avoid alcohol, avoid smoking, and truly avoid vaping. Okay, that damages your brain, not really your lungs, but it also causes damage. Okay, so yes, my second. So my third is love your parents, guys. Love your friends, love your family, and until you have them. I when you still have them, love them. Okay. Fourth advice: improve yourself physically and improve in every aspect. Physically, mentally, emotionally, and financially, of course. You can do that without money. You can do that really easily without the help of money, guys. So yeah, my fourth advice is improve. My fifth advice is always be grateful of what you have. Always be grateful, and you will never be this young again. Okay, so do the things do you think you will not do if you get old. Okay, so the point is enjoy your youth, not enjoy party, use drugs and alcohol and do bad habits, not that, because that things at some point is enjoyable. What I mean is do some main character things like this. What I'm doing is I'm recording myself, I'm vlogging, I'm filming myself, so in the future I can watch this back and look how we will not regret this type of things we do. So yes, so in the future I can watch this video and I will be so proud of myself that I did this type of content. So yeah, guys, let's recap. First advice: do what you know, do and know what you really want. Second, forget Second, avoid bad habits. Don't smoke, don't drink alcohol. Third is love your families and friends. Fourth is don't stop improving yourself. Okay? And don't stop learning. Because learn and learn. You will stop learning until we die. For our whole lives, we learn in life. We cannot stop. Okay? As a young man, guys, I watch I watch some influencers, and you can call them influencers, guys. Basta some successful men, guys, that I really want to be. Yes, yes. So don't watch and listen to the people who don't want you to be. Okay? Don't listen to them because they don't have the life do you want. Okay? If they have the life do you want, of course listen to them. So yeah, that's my first advice. Don't stop improving and learning in every aspect of your life as a man. So my fifth is always be grateful. Grateful what you have. If you're so unlucky, think about the things you have, because you cannot have things you don't have if you think always negative thoughts, and that will never help. Just always be positive, guys. So that's all the things I can advise as a 18 years old man. And tomorrow is my birthday. I'm turning to 19 years old, so I can't stop it. The only thing I can do is be grateful about it, that I reached 19 years of age. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for listening, staying still for this. I hope you guys learn about something I told. So yeah, guys, I still don't have an intro message, but I still work about it and think what I really did. So yes, guys. And this time, guys, I'm gonna use the line of Hamza because he was my inspiration doing this type of content. So yeah, guys. So guys, always do the hard work. If you don't, always. So guys, always do the hard work, especially when you don't feel, especially when you don't feel like doing it. Mwah. So guys, always do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like doing it. So bye, guys. Mwah. Bye, guys. Always do the hard work, especially when you don't feel like doing it. Mwah.